My association with Dr. Anne Denkler goes to more than a decade ago when she and Dr. Gina visited our college for the first time. They had come that time as Fulbright scholars and they were at Central University, and through our friends there at Central University they were introduced to us here, and thus began this long association. And it was not just an academic association, it blossomed into friendship, and in the subsequent years I visited them in their university, the Shenandoah University at Virginia, and then Dr. Anne and Gina came back again. And this visit of Dr. Anne is very special for St. Francis College because it's very exclusive for the college alone, her visit. Also, along with all the academic classes that she took for us, we made so many memories through the number of trips that we made to the different heritage sites of our city, the lunches that we shared together. This association blossomed into great friendship. And I believe, Dr. Anne, that what really stands out about you is the seriousness that you have for academics and scholarship, and also your seriousness and endurance in pursuing the goals that you have set for yourself. Here's to many more laurels for you, and I believe that greater things are yet to come.
Dr. Anne Denkler spent a significant and productive time with us at St. Francis College for Women, engaging with our students over various disciplines like history, mass communication and journalism, psychology, English literature, and political science. Over a span of 10 days, she delivered 25 lectures on various topics. For example, for mass communication and journalism students, she delivered talks on gender and advertising, ideologies and representations. Her thoughts helped students to think beyond the text, to contextualize to the Indian context and think critically. Especially her insights from the context of United States of America were valuable. We are sincerely thanking Dr. Anne for her dedicated time to engage with our students. Thank you, Dr. Anne.
It's been a very fruitful time with Dr. Anne Denkler in the campus. And furthermore, it was very amazing to see how she conducted these interdisciplinary classes so well. Subjects like history, psychology, mass communication, political science, and literature were all conducted one after the other. And the kind of combination and inter-relevance which she created was amazing in the classroom and was very, very well taken by all the students. Talking about literature classes, we already shared our syllabus to Dr. Denkler, and she came very organized and well planned, made it very, very relevant in the classroom. She spoke about slave narrative, and presently we are doing Alice Walker Color Purple in the classroom. She spoke about popular literature, she spoke about Harlem Renaissance. So all those things were very, very relevant to our students. Another example of another class where she spoke about racial discrimination in America, and she connected very well to the caste system which we follow in India. So that was also something which was very amazing for students to listen, because it made a lot of sense to them. The kind of PowerPoint presentation she made, she accommodated every examples, historical examples to the present day examples and her own personal experience. Put together, she made the classes very, very interactive and relevant. We are very thankful to Dr. Anne Denkler that she has given another perspective of the entire literature study to our students in India. Thank you so much.
The Department of History had very enriching and insightful sessions with Dr. Denkler. For the students of first, second and third year, ma'am dealt with issues on alternative history and different pedagogical tools that could be used to teach history in terms of mystifying aspects of history to demystify them. And she also focused on interdisciplinary approaches to history. For instance, she spoke about how power can be used as a concept, which is integral to political science, how that can be used to teach different aspects of history. So the sessions that she had with the students of all the 3 years of histories were extremely insightful and enriching. Thank you.
We would like to thank Dr. Denkler for coming here and sharing insightful sessions with us. The sessions pushed us to think beyond what is shown to us in media, especially in concerns with how women have been represented in media over all the years. It pushed us to think and question what has really changed in media.
Dr. Denkler's class was very informative about the role of women in media and the evolution of gender throughout the ages. It was very enlightening to see the role of women in media throughout the ages. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Dr. Denkler, and I have been a guest lecturer here at St. Francis College for about 2.5 weeks. My visit has been fantastic. I first came here in 2010, which was 15 years ago when I was a Fulbright scholar. I met Dr. Joseph, who was a teacher, and she and I have been friends ever since. And I've never forgotten that first experience, and I'm so glad to be back this visit. I feel like this is my family here. It's my home away from home in Hyderabad. And it's such a special environment working with the women, and that means the students as well as administration. I was commenting to my husband the other day, it's wonderful to be part of an all-women's organization. That they're rare in the United States. But the voices here and the education and being with Dr. Joseph has been so enlightening, and it feels so special to have this experience. The students are very engaged in our conversations. I presented topics in history, mass communication, psychology, political science. And in every class and with every presentation, there's always amazing comments. I feel very comfortable teaching here, and I hope that the students feel comfortable as well. I can't wait to come back when I leave. It's certainly going to be tough, but my days next year, I'm hoping, will include visits to St. Francis once again. So thank you so much for having me. Again, you're my family. I'll miss you.